Hello everyone, welcome to another video. And to clear your confusion, this video is all about net JRF versus net LS, because I know this is because I've been making videos since 2010. I've made videos multiple times, but still it's time to evolve, and let's talk about CSI net JRF versus LS. What's the difference between JRF and LS? See, the difference between JRF and LS is in terms of marks that you get in the same examination. You don't need to appear in multiple examination. Many students have much confusion regarding this, so let's clear the doubt. There's only one examination we are talking about, that is CSI UGC joint examination. So CSI UGC joint or CSI net examination, the same thing. In that case, there are two options: either you qualify for LS lectureship or you qualify for JRF junior research fellowship. Okay, so now how it's done: the same examination, same question paper, same pattern, same eligibility, everything will be the same. Only difference is the cutoff. For example, this examination is of 200 marks and the cutoff is, let's say for JRF, is 120. So anyone gets more than 120 get a JRF nod from either CSIR or UGC. That's why it's a joint net examination, because in JRF, if you become JRF, they will provide you salary every single month, that is 31,000 rupees plus HRA for first 2 years, and then 35,000 rupees plus HRA as an SRF from the third year onwards. That's the idea, and this salary is provided by either CSR or UGC if you get above the cutoff of JRF and apply for it. But if you get less marks than JRF, let's say you get only 105, and the LS for lectureship, the cutoff is always lower than JRF. Let's say the cutoff for lectureship is 100. So if you score more than 100, that is 105, in that case, you will be given lectureship, not JRF. So you will not be given any stipend, you will not be given any salary, but you will be entitled to become a lecturer, an assistant professor in college and university. That is the idea of LS, okay, lectureship. So many people ask me, like, if I get lectureship, can I go and do PhD with it? See, in normal version of the story, there is no chance, because lectureship is the eligibility criteria to become a lecturer. But along with that, lectureship or permanent lecturer position in university and colleges in India, according to UGC guideline, is that you should qualify LS and you should also have PhD, and you should also maintain the same subject in your graduation and masters. Now this may be subjected to change later on, with different circulars they change these facts, but this is a pretty much straight ahead fact. But now there are options. There are processes where you can see your friends and other people are doing PhD with LS. Yes, it is possible, but not as per the straight ahead book or straight ahead writings in the book. There's something out of the book, okay, which is a separate discussion, so that is totally out of the book, and it requires to discuss it in a separate video. I'm not going to talk about that, but as per the bookish knowledge, it's not the case. Okay, so if you get LS, you need to have more than the marks of the LS cutoff, then you will get LS. If you get more than the marks of the JRF cutoff, you'll be given JRF. Okay, that is the difference. For JRF, you'll be doing research, and the JRF stipend will be provided for 5 years, where if you qualify LS, the validity of the LS is of lifetime. For the JRF, qualification validity is of 2 years. In under 2 years, you need to apply for the JRF and start doing your PhD, and the stipend will be provided for 5 years. That's the difference between JRF and LS, junior research fellowship and lectureship. I believe the doubts are clear. If you still have any doubt, you can put it in the comment. I'll answer that. And if anyone has anything to say regarding the difference and all, you can also say that in the comment. I like to hear. So that's all about it. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to this channel to get more videos like that in future. And hey, again, if you want to qualify JRF, if you want to become a lecturer, in that case, you need to qualify CSI net examination in life sciences. And if you're looking for CSI net examination in life sciences, then this is the channel to go. This is the channel because we provide you paid and non-paid courses both. Our CSI net online lecture course is of 15,200 rupees for 6-month course, 2 years validity, and you get plenty of facilities for you to launch yourself as a lecturer. All the best. Bye.